Hey, and welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today we're going to be making a keto or diabetic style banana bread. So let's get busy. First thing we want to do is get our oven fired up to 350 degrees. Get it ready so we can throw this banana bread in there. Then we want to get our little banana bread pan or bread pan, whatever you want to call it, prepped and ready as well. I like to take a piece of parchment paper, stuff it inside here, fold the edges to make it look like the pan, and then we're going to hit it up with some cooking spray. So let's get that done. Now as I'm folding this and stuffing it in here, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to make it perfect and put all the perfect creases in, by all means, you have fun and you do that. But right now we're just trying to make this quick so we can get the banana bread going. All right, now it's making a little square. We're just gonna hit it up a little bit with some spray. All right, so next up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix together the banana, the eggs, and the sweetener. Mash it up, and then add the rest of the ingredients. Let's get busy. So we wanna make sure we got 2 ripe bananas, and now we're gonna add in our 3 eggs. We got 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of artificial sweetener. You can use stevia or you can use monk fruit. Right now I'm using stevia. I like monk fruit as well. I'm just going to take a fork and mash this up. Now depending on how chunky you like your banana bread, you can leave the bananas chunky or you can mash it up until it's into a really thin or really consistent paste. And then there's times I like to cheat, like right now, because I want to get this done. I'm just going to grab my hand mixer and knock this out real quick. Using a hand mixer will also not only increase the speed of knocking this out, but it also gives the consistency more of a creamier texture and you don't have such chunky bananas. Now we're going to add our pinch of salt, our tablespoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda. Give this a quick mix, then we're going to add our almond flour. Now our 2 cups of almond flour. Now we're just going to take a rubber spatula. We're just going to fold this in, make sure that we get all the extra little goodies off the side of the bowl. Give it another mix, and then we'll be ready to throw it into our bread pan. I like using a high rim bowl, especially when I'm using a hand mixer because it tends to flick stuff everywhere and make a huge mess. And this just contains the mess. All right, so now we got our bread pan. We're gonna slide it over, put the mixture in, and hope I don't drop the bowl. Then we're just going to spread it out evenly, fill in the corners. It doesn't have to look beautiful. We're just making bread here. And there you have it. That's what it looks like when it's ready to go into the oven. Alright, so now we got it pulled out of the bread tray. As you can see, there's hardly any cleanup in that. It makes things nice. You just pull down the paper, and we're just going to slide this out. It holds a lot, the paper holds a lot of moisture, so we want this to be able to dry out just a little bit. So we're going to leave it on this rack for about an hour or 2 until it's cooled down, and then after that we're going to go ahead and we're going to slice into this and enjoy ourselves some bread. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. We're going to slice into this thing, and we're going to see how well it tastes. Just by the feel of it, I can already tell it's moist, it's nice and bouncy. So hopefully it'll feel the same way in our mouth. All right, let's pull a piece out. There you have it. Here it is. That's some good banana bread for being healthy. You can definitely taste the banana in it. This banana bread, what do you expect? But it's nice and moist. It's definitely a good alternative to your traditional banana bread. If you want to add nuts to this, you can do so. But I think it tastes great just the way it is. Maybe add some peanut butter to it. Definitely. You guys gotta try this out. Tell me what you think. Till next time, Dan the Flavor Guy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Thanks. Have a great day.